Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you want some extra storage space in your kitchen that is functional and beautiful, then you need to get this shelf.
I've always hated wasted space, but now I don't have that problem with this gorgeous shelf from STUTOV. I think it is absolutely perfect. It is so easy to install. All you have to do is add these large magnets to the back, and you are ready to attach it to your stove. And now I have this beautiful shelf to display my salt and pepper shaker on and all of my beautiful herbs. And this thing is super sturdy. Not only is it beautiful with these cutouts and this gorgeous gold, but once you pop it on the top of your stove, this thing isn't going anywhere. So you don't have to worry about it falling off or anything like that. I think it is the perfect little shelf to add some of my cute kitchen accessories in. All these little things that I've always wanted a spot for. Now they have a great little home, and I think it is absolutely perfect. I really appreciate how well made this shelf is, and it's maintenance free. There's zero installation, and it is the perfect size for my 30-inch stove.
Say goodbye to wasted space and get this amazing shelf. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.